How to repair your skin barrier at home in just 4 days. Affordable skincare routine. If your skin feels dry, sensitive, red, or irritated, it means your skin barrier, the outer protective layer of your skin, is damaged. A weakened skin barrier allows moisture to escape and makes your skin vulnerable to environmental stressors like pollution and harsh weather. But don't worry, you can repair your skin at home in just 4 days with this simple and affordable skincare routine. Day 1. Protect your skin from further damage. Check mark stop using harsh cleansers. If you use a foaming or sulfate-based cleanser, replace it with a gentle, non-stripping cleanser like a cream or gel-based cleanser. Wash your face with lukewarm water. Avoid hot water as it strips away natural oils, making your skin drier and more irritated. Avoid overexfoliation. Do not use scrubs, AHAs, BHAs, or retinol during this healing phase. Let your skin rest. Use minimal skincare products. For 4 days, keep your routine simple with just a cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Day 2. Deeply hydrate your skin. Use a barrier repairing moisturizer. Apply aloe vera gel or mix glycerin plus rose water for hydration. If using a cream, choose one containing ceramides, hyaluronic acid, panthenol, or niacinamide to restore the skin barrier. Increase your water intake. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Include coconut water and yogurt in your diet for extra hydration. Apply a hydrating mist. Mix rose water plus cucumber juice in a spray bottle and mist your face throughout the day. Day 3. Soothe and nourish your skin. Use a soothing mask. Mix 1 tablespoon yogurt plus 1 teaspoon honey plus a few drops of cucumber juice. Apply it for 15 minutes to reduce redness and irritation. Start using sunscreen. Daily, apply SPF 30 to 50 sunscreen in the morning, even if staying indoors. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours when exposed to sunlight. Apply aloe vera gel before sleeping. Aloe vera has cooling properties and helps reduce inflammation. Day 4. Restore your natural glow checkmark. Use facial oils at night. Apply coconut oil, almond oil, or squalane oil before bed for deep nourishment. If you don't like oils, use vitamin E capsules. Break one and massage the oil onto your face. Eat nutrient-rich foods. Consume almonds, walnuts, yogurt, avocados, spinach, and carrots for skin health. Avoid processed and fried foods as they can trigger breakouts. Practice gentle massage. Lightly massage your skin with rosehip oil or argan oil to improve blood circulation. Final results. By following this 4-day healing routine, your skin will feel softer, deeply hydrated, and more resilient. However, complete skin barrier repair takes time, so continue with a gentle skincare routine to maintain healthy skin. Bonus tip: sleep at least 7 to 8 hours per night and use a silk pillowcase to avoid irritation. If you found this helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips. Thank you.